quick visual condition report. Now we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now this is a wrap and the paint underneath is black. All these wheels are absolutely perfect. They look brand new, and if I'm not mistaken, they are brand new. Now looking at this wrap, it looks really good. Those vents look amazing. Got the matte black stripe here. All of that looks perfect. These mirrors are wrapped in a matte black. Now you do have a couple imperfections on that edge. A couple bubbles here and there, little spots every once in a while that are lifting. But overall, they did a really good job on this wrap. Got some little frayed edges here from it scuffing something. Looking at that fender flare, that looks really good. Got the smoked out markers. This wheel looks absolutely perfect. Brakes look amazing. This stripe looks really good. And then checking out the front end here, you can see the headlight covers are smoked. A couple minor scuffs every once in a while. I see one scuff right there, very minor. This is a custom front end here. Now you do have some rash right there. And this is wrapped in a matte black. So all of this is vinyl. And they did a really good job. Got the smoked markers. I mean, that front end is super clean. And you do have that little rash there, but other than that, this looks amazing. And then looking at this side, looks really good. Wheels are perfect. All of that looks really good. That door's nice and clean. Now we do have some scuffs on the muffler. Other than that, it looks awesome. That quarter panel looks good. Wheel looks absolutely perfect. Got your stickers here. And this thing is just super clean. Now looking at the back here, those taillights look absolutely perfect. You're going to have a couple little bubbles in these letters because it's a really hard spot to get them to lay down perfect. You're going to have tiny little spots that lift. This is wrapped matte, as well as this custom diffuser. Couple imperfections, but otherwise, thing looks really good. And here on that top side, all of that looks perfect. And then checking out the engine bay. All of that looks good. And here you can see the factory black paint. Trying to get up close to a lot of this so you can see it. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker, and you have a ton of custom stuff in here. This door panel looks awesome. Now this handle is not attached very well. Got the cool speaker covers here. All this stitching looks good. Checking out this trim. Typical scuffs and scratches throughout. And then you can see the door jamb here with the original paint color. And looking at the seat, got the really cool stingray here. Blue stitching. That leather looks really nice. Do have a couple scratches on the steering wheel, and then of course some chips here. Got the full Alcantara dash. Got the LED headlights. Got vintage air. Got your Alpine screen. Now this is a 5-speed. And you can see here this still shows 4-speed. So it is a 5-speed. Got your Sniper EFI. And now we're going to have the full build list on the website with all the information. You can see these seat backs are full Alcantara. And then you can see your custom speaker enclosure. Looks really good. And then checking out this door panel. The insert looks good. Handles are clean. Got the really cool speaker covers. All that carpet looks nice. You can kind of see in the jambs here. And then right here. These seats look amazing. Got the Alcantara inserts there and all along the lower perimeter. Overall, the condition looks perfect. I don't see any scuffs or scratches. All of this Alcantara looks amazing here on this little pocket. And then the full upper dash. Absolutely gorgeous interior.